Good afternoon, children. Hope you are doing good as I am. I am Teacher Geraldine of Alang Salaksa Elementary School, Western Cayapa District. Children, you listen as I tell you a story entitled My Grandma Mamita by Perla H. Quanzon. Illustrator Larry A. Giolola. Colors Eric Q. Flor Delisa. My Grandma Mamita. 6 years old, Ganda is an only child. She is now in grade 1. She lives with her grandma. She calls her Mamita. Ganda's parents are in America. Grandma's Mamita takes care of Ganda. She loves Ganda very much. Grandma Mamita and Ganda are very good friends. They play games together. They watch TV together. They read books together. And they do lots of things together. Grandma kisses and hugs Ganda when she leaves for school. At noon, Grandma Mamita fetches Ganda in school. They walk home together. Sometimes they pass by a grocery store to buy goodies for Ganda. Grandma Mamita buys some grapes, green apples, guava jelly, and graham crackers. Ganda helps Grandma prepare food for dinner. Oh, how they love to do things together. At bedtime, Grandma Mamita gives Ganda a glass of warm milk. She tucks Ganda in bed. She reads to Ganda her favorite story. Good night, my dear Ganda, says Grandma. Sleep time. Good night, Grandma. I love you, Mamita. One morning, Ganda wakes up. Grandma! Grandma! Where are you? She looks into the sala. She runs into the grandma's room and into the kitchen. But no Grandma Mamita to see. Ganda cries. She cries and cries. Grandma! Grandma! Uncle Gabi comes and says in a sad voice, Grandma is sick. She is in the hospital. Ganda feels sad. She does not like to go to school. No grandma to make her peanut butter. No grandma to give her glass of lemon juice. and no grandma to take her to school. No grandma to kiss and hug her. No grandma to read her a story. Then she says a prayer for Mamita. Dear God, please make Mamita get well soon. I love my Mamita, I really do. Not long after, Grandma, Grandma, it's you, my Grandma Mamita. I'm glad you're back home. Thank God Mamita is back. And Ganda embraces her Mamita with tears of joy. That's all, children. I hope you like it, and thank you for listening.